6 secret characteristics of successful side hustlers. Not everyone who's got a side hustle going on right now is going to become successful. In fact, many will say goodbye to side hustling and just focus on their day job instead. If you want to know what it takes to succeed in side hustling, then you better stay tuned to this presentation. Today, you're going to learn the 6 secret characteristics of successful side hustlers. Let's begin. Number 1, they plan everything. If you don't plan your side hustle properly, then you're most probably not going to succeed. Sure, you could get lucky, but really, your luck can only take you so far. Successful hustlers plan their journey right from the very beginning. You better do the same if you want to succeed and maybe one day get to finally quit your day job. Number 2, they are very passionate. Many successful side hustlers choose to focus on things that they are passionate about. For instance, for those who started blogging as a side hustle, they're passionate about writing. Blogging gave them an avenue to write about their interests and their passions. Choose to do something you enjoy as a side hustle. Your chances of success will be so much higher. Number 3, they are focused. You can literally choose to do any number of side hustles in your free time. However, if you want to succeed, you need to focus on one job. This will help you maximize your time. Pretty soon, you'll come up with a system that will let you maximize your productivity so you can scale up your business. Number 4, they network and build relationships. If you want to have an easier time getting clients, then you need to have a network of friends and acquaintances who will be more than happy to send referrals your way. Don't be a snob. Be friendly to people you meet along the way. Number 5, they're not afraid of failure. Successful side hustlers and entrepreneurs aim to fail hard and fail often. While that sounds totally counterproductive, trust me, it's not. This strategy works very well in real life. The more you fail, the closer you are to finding out what will work for you and lead you to success. Number 6, they give their best. You can't give a half-hearted effort if you want to succeed. Instead, you've got to give it your all. That's because you're working alone. You've no one else to depend on but yourself. So give it your best shot and watch your side business grow over time.